Hey guys, I'm a financial minimalist. Welcome back to my channel. I have created this channel to share my success, failures, and experiences in personal finance and to support others who are thinking of improving their budgeting skills, investment strategy, credit score, and overall financial situation. I know I took a break for a long time. Well, I'm back. I'll try to do continuous video. And today I'll give you guys a quick update on my current Robinhood account. As you can see that from last time, my overall portfolio amount has increased to as of today. Right now, I have almost close to $19,000, and I'm up almost 65%. Well, not almost, over 65%. As you can see, I just made $7,400 in profit overall. Um, Back since February, I think I had a video. Since then, my portfolio has changed dramatically. I have invested more and diversified a lot. I have also tried to focus on some dividend play as well. And I also started investing on, I would say, not penny stocks, but like $10, $20 stocks. So today I'll go over quickly over, give you a quick update on my portfolio, see where I'm at, and see how we can improve on this. So as you can see, I am, um, on a monthly chart, I'm down almost a grand because of the current market situation and the volatility. As you can see, since this is election year, and in November, according to the data's, November, sorry, um, September is a sell-off month. People like, this sell-off and, uncertainty with the election. People will, like have some cash on their hand. Um, so that's the reason. And overall, but if you look at 3 month chart, I'm up almost more than 3 grand. Year to date, I'm up, 7 grand, and overall, I'm up almost 75. I'm almost up $7,500. Um, so, and as you can see that I have, Apple did a stock split. Tesla did stock split. So I'm holding 20 shares of Apple. I'm holding 8 shares of Tesla. Let's quickly go over Tesla's position that I have. Luckily, I bought Tesla share when it was around, I would say, initial stock that I bought was around 275, I believe, and then they did a split, and then I invested worth 1,000 more. So that's why my um, average cost is 161, and then currently I have 8.07 shares, and all my total return on Tesla is $1,970. And also, I believe that for the long term, Tesla is a really really good stock, and I think it will go around 500 to 600 dollar per share. Hopefully by 2021. I personally believe that electric vehicle are the future. People will drive more electric vehicle, and Tesla will lead the way. So in long term, I recommend Tesla. Um, and then also, take a look at my Apple share. I'm just gonna quickly focus on these two. And Apple is a golden stock, and you won't lose money. But again, do your due diligence, guys. Currently, I have 20 shares of Apple, and I'm making almost $1,300. That's my position. But overall, by I have a goal to hit that 20K by end of this year. So hopefully, I will make I'll make 20K by end of this year. The funny thing is, right now the my overall gains is 65%, but it was actually, I think, yeah, it was actually over 100% in September, I believe. Yeah, I mean, it was over, no, like, yeah, it was over. Yeah, as you can see, I do have 20K here. It did hit 20K, but I was making almost 9K in profit. But then prior to that, I put in a little bit more money. That's why my percentage is a little bit lower now, but it was 103%. Anyways, you know that's the current update with my Robinhood account. I just want to guys, give you guys an update to see where I am right now. And I'll try to make videos, continuously. And with that being said, thank you guys for joining in, and I'll come back with a new video soon. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next video.